Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use a capture card for streaming. A capture card is a device that takes a video signal from one source, like a gaming console or another computer, and converts it into a format your streaming PC can understand. This is essential for sharing high-quality gameplay or content from a separate device. We will cover the setup process step by step, ensuring you can get your stream up and running smoothly. Now, let's connect everything. First, take an HDMI cable from your gaming console or second PC and plug it into the HDMI input port on your capture card. Next, connect another HDMI cable from the capture card's HDMI output port to your primary gaming monitor. Finally, connect the capture card itself to your streaming computer using either a USB 3.0 cable for external cards or by installing an internal PCIe card. With the hardware connected, it is time for the software setup. Begin by installing any required drivers and companion software for your specific capture card model. Once installed, open your preferred streaming software, such as OBS Studio or Streamlabs Desktop. Add a new video capture device source, selecting your capture card from the list. You can then fine-tune resolution, frame rate, and audio input settings to achieve your desired stream quality. To ensure a smooth and high-quality stream, optimization is key. Verify your internet upload speed meets the requirements for your desired resolution and frame rate. For example, at least 10 megabits per second for 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second. Keep an eye on your streaming PC's CPU usage to prevent performance bottlenecks. Always perform a test stream for 5 to 10 minutes before going live to catch any potential audio or video problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.